Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Bruno. Today we are at the Coachman booth of the Forest River Dealer Expo. We are looking at some new 2025 Coachman Euros. This is the 25 TV with the Stealth package, and what the Stealth package gives you is this specialized full body paint, the special blacked out rims, and you can see just from the look of it, it looks mean. Really, what you want to see as our viewers is inside. So let's take a walk inside. Now, thank you for viewing here at the channel. Please click the like and subscribe button. It greatly supports the channel and we greatly appreciate it. Now, with the Stealth package, you also get specialized colored interior, as you see here. So built on a Ford A-Class chassis, we have our traditional dash up front, our media center, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've got, sorry, I've gotten tongue-tied all of a sudden. We have our little workstation up front. Really nice seats, make it comfortable for driving. I like the color combination of the charcoal and the light gray. Now the 25 TB, you do get a slide out which has the home theater seats here, which are also dinettes. Very unique style setup in that you have the seats and it's a dinette just by simply twisting the way that you sit. As we spin around, it's a nice large kitchen area for the size of coach that we have here. Solid surface countertops with the LED lights, and Coachman has introduced what they call their Coach Care system. So we're going to pop a couple of locks open, slide that out, and it's a Coach Care system because you have, again, you can use this two different ways. Two garbages, a garbage and recycling, and then all your cleaners, and this basket lifts up when it comes time to do some house cleaning. Let's close that. We have 4 drawers, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and again, look at the amount of prep space that you have, or space that you can actually put coffee makers, toaster, those other items. Stainless steel double wide sink with the actual sink insert, and in its Euro style, a very residential style hood. Nice large double door fridge. The freezer has pull-out bins to keep things nice and easy and organized, and a large top fridge. As we make our way to the back, we're going to have a custom pantry right in here, and then next to it we should have a nice wardrobe. Lots of hanging, shelf down here, and then large open space to put items. Now this is a twin bed setup, so it gives you great flexibility for sleeping. We have a large TV screen in the back, and they've put in shelving off to both sides. Overhead cabinets back here, more shelving, plus a privacy curtain. As we spin around to take a look at our bathroom, good sized bath, enough space to step out, dry yourself from that rectangular shower. I really like the color in the surrounds. It's going to sound corny because you'll hear me in a number of videos going, I really like these surrounds. This year, a number of manufacturers have chosen some great surrounds for their showers, and this is great because it's different than the traditional surrounds. They've added color to them, they've added texture, giving it much more residential appeal. Now, Coachman does offer a variety of items. There's solar panels on the units. You can upgrade to lithium battery packs. They have 2 options. There's a 460 watt option, as well as doubling that to go to 920. There's a 1200 watt pure sine inverter, and just show you here so that you can see some of their top features overall. They have heat pumps on board. And of course, you have a 5.5 kilowatt generator, so you have lots of power to run your ACs, etc. Lithium is a nice touch, but not necessary on an A-class coach. The reason for that is you have a big generator that will power this entire coach, and that generator on a full tank will run you 5 to 10 days before you're going to reach its cutoff point. That's a lot of power. Anyways, that just gives you some background. If you're thinking about lithium options, they're there. My personal opinion at this point in time, not really needed on bigger coaches. Great for B classes, Cs, smaller items that are now eliminating the generators to keep them smaller and lighter. Anyways, this is the 2025 Coachman Euro 25 TB. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, let us know your comments about it. Please click the like and subscribe and the little bell notification, and we will bring you new products that are being introduced, as well as some of those great floor plans that just get refined year after year. And thank you to you guys, our viewers. Be safe and have a great day.